In this video I'm going to show you how to change background in Instagram chat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Instagram application, and first you're gonna do, you have to hit there at your profile picture, and there hit at that three lines, actually the menu icon. Next select settings, account, there hit add sharing to other apps, and there you have to make sure that you attach a Facebook account right there. As you see, I got one, so I can hit there and switch even between different Facebook accounts. This feature allows you to change background in your Instagram chats, because changing background, that's actually a Facebook feature and you can use it in Instagram directly. So now once you connected your Instagram with Facebook, you can open up your homepage, next hit at your DMs, and now you can open up some conversation, and next all you have to do is hit at your there at the top add conversation name. Now there you can find theme, hit on it, and there you can switch chat theme in any from that list. It can be just a single color or gradient or some theme from that. You can select, for example, that new support theme, and now you can go back and check how this theme looks like. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.